Hey guys, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are part 8 for May STL 2023. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon and Discord down the link below. And we are looking at D&D figures, Warhammer figures, figurines, and other 3D prints as well. Is there a Patreon that you may go check out? Put the name down the link below. Today we're doing Asgard Rising miniature. I used to get a lot of this miniature, but the problem is there's so many Viking stuff I can use on my campaign, and even though I like to archive a lot of them, sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. So looks like we have May, and looks like they did not. Freaking, I just it looks like they have nothing out in May for Asgard Rising for now. Invictus miniature. We have. This is probably pretty cool. Probably get that a big ass squig and an orc is riding it. This would be probably cool to have in your Warhammer game. I would say the cybernetic hands might be a little too unrealistic, but you know it's something. We have a cosmic pirate ship. Looks like the one from Captain Harlock, and that'll be it for now, I guess. As Studio, another figure as well. Uh, Looks like there's nothing been out since February for this guy. BioBreed Studio, another figure as well. We have Madan Hydra Hyper upcoming. Uh, okay. Batman Razal Zuanu has arrived. Let me check this thing out. Okay, what does it look like? Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Batman with a baseball bat. All for that. And that was, I would think that was for April. I think this is the only one that's coming out for May. Do not know all the characters from Marvel or DC. Major Forge, a good terrain piece as well. A wizard, printable automaton, your gnomes, and your half elves looks like it. And I don't think are they doing terrains? Because this was last month that I really liked a lot, but I didn't get because that's a lot of resin. Tell you the truth, even though I want to print the stuff, it just eats too much resin. Resin is fucking expensive. It's like $20 a kilogram of it. So Azurma. So we have Ochako um, from My Hero Academia. And I think we got Shuen that I am definitely getting because I do love this character a lot. And this would be for June. So I'm gonna get those two characters for myself. I never 3D print it. We have nothing for May, looks like it. Creative Greek. They're very good. Prints and file is just they take a long time to print. So Blood Orc Warrior, Sky Knight. She probably cool for Dark Elf 3D print. May is Black Cat, Soul Harvester, and Guts Berserker. I might get it for the Black Cat and the Soul Harvester. Uh, we will see. You will see. It just they take a long time to send the cuts and prints. For 3D Mojo Ivy, and we got Sake. I already bought these for it, but they're very good. I do want to get that figure as well, but yeah, Ivy looks very sexy. from Soul Calibur, and we got Saka as well. I can vote for this, but yeah, very good. Very good figure. One of my friend printed one that was very surprising, but it is fine for that, I guess. Okay, that's March to April. They got nothing on May. The Dragons rest. This is terrain pieces. They got waddle and so basically walls for your campaign for it. But this one you can actually get a couple months prior to it for the price of it, so it's pretty good. Cross Lance for it, we got Lich, some kind of undead, and a skeletal mage. So those three liches. Okay, we gained three liches. I don't know why three liches will like to meet each other, but there you go. So we have Talia for your this month. If you like Mass Effect, that'll be it for this month as well. For it. Okay, next one is Bruno Art 3D STL. Another figures as well, and I don't know if we forget. So May is Chami 6, Loyalty, Web Project, and I do want fucking pictures. This is what I don't like. We have, you know, I don't know. I want you to know what I'm looking at, but oh well. Of course, those so figures as well. Rhino from Spider-Man. We have Death, Rhino File. I don't know where that Death is from. You might know. And Ghost Rider as well. Toro D minis figures as well. Blood Raven would be kind of cool to have. So we have Nani from Lilo and Stitch. And Delphila and Akusu. We have Moid already done. Pensky. I think we already did Pensky as well. Are we doing more Stargate? So this is June Mech. Don't know where this June Mech comes from. We have the another Alien Queen, and we have another showcase of Stargate. Yeah, I don't mind having it. We have Tilk, Stargate, the control panel for Stargate, World Ending Bomb, Team Sidekick. I think it's supposed to be that's Daniel, Team Archaeologist, Team Scouts. That's the one that Daniel got trapped in and tried to communicate and get one of the Asgardian ship out of that world. Lord Tilk, Commander, I forgot her name. But yeah, Team Doctor. He doesn't look like General Neo. He looks like the guy from the Enterprise. I forgot this name from Enterprise. But yeah, we have a Gual armor units as well. We also have Alien. I forgot where she. I think this is from Alien as well. But yeah, it's also parts of Cyberpunk Predator as well. We have some pretty good ones. Looks like one Gundam units. Yeah, I don't know a lot. I do watch a lot of sci-fi. I don't remember all the sci-fi for it. If you guys can help me out, that'd be great. Another mech unit. We have a soldier police stink as well. Looks like one of the SWAT for this. This is probably cool to have as well. Don't know the hell he is. I think it's for from Cyberpunk, in my opinion. I think these end parts from Cyberpunk for it. And let me see. Oh, yeah, Cyberpunk. We got one of the ones from Dead or Alive? I forgot what it's called. Let us off. I forgot that damn game. But yeah, we got the mushroom thing as well. This was April release. They were doing Mad Max. Okay, Cult cast and play. Let's say we're doing are doing. If we can freaking, I just hate. I think I can't barely see what's. I think these are dwarves. So we got dwarves for a dwarves throwback. Vulcan dwarves. You get like you can replace it with like those dwarven berserkers and stuff, or Warhammer, or some of these for Age of Sigmar as well. For this matter, or for D&D purposes. A lot of times you need dwarves for D&D purposes. I do have a lot of dwarves, pewter dwarves, but never actually have any. I mean, very few printed dwarves for that matter. But you know, once we get the speed paint from 2.0 speed paint army painters, it would be a lot better for this as well. Arcane minis for this month we have race to a panda race, Pandarian race. For it, this is April release. That's free May release teaser. So we have Pandarians. That's going to be part of it, coming in mid-May. So we have a actual house, floating house, working in progress. And we have all these freaking pieces that's coming together, and there's bonus sets. That's a fucking a lot of stuff. For it, we have 4 more. Bear with me. Down figures. Let me just do that. And we will have Tiamat, John Wick, Link, Stitch, and Shinron. I think they only did Stitch, Chibi Stitch with Lilo. And we have John Wick that's out as well for those two. Hyper Studio that are anime figure as well for this month. It's working Rappi, Victory Goddess. And we have Yohoro as well. Victus miniatures, we got 2 more left. We have minis. D&D minis for this one. They usually have a whole thing of what's happening in May. There we go, May, Blood and Gold. We have Townfolk, Vampire Lady, a sad man with a blower, I guess. We have these 3 as well. Last but not least, we have Highlands. I think we are doing dwarves this time. This is for Age of Sigmar proxies, if you guys are interested. And you also get this. One of the champion. And have dwarves carrying it. That's just very sad. And these are June, May. Here we go. This is May. What you get for May for June for your Age of Sigmar proxies. For that as well. Well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below. If there's a Patreon that you haven't checked, please let me know down the link below. Comment below for that as well. Anyhow, guys, thank you guys very much. Have a nice day. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.